Healthy hair after dyeing, preventing greasiness.
Hello and welcome to our hair care tutorial. Today we're going to discuss a common issue many of you may have experienced: how to prevent your hair from becoming greasy after dyeing it. If you're tired of battling oiliness after giving your hair a new color, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it.
Why does my hair get greasy after dyeing?
Before we get into the solutions, it's important to understand why this problem occurs. Hair dye can strip your hair of its natural oils, which causes your scalp to overcompensate and produce more oil than usual. This results in hair that appears greasy shortly after washing.
How can I prevent my hair from getting greasy?
Step 1. Choose the right hair products. The first thing to consider is the hair products you're using. Make sure you're using a shampoo and conditioner specifically designed for color-treated hair. These products are gentler and less likely to strip your hair of its natural oils. Step 2. Wash your hair less often. This may seem counterintuitive, but washing your hair too often can actually lead to greasiness. When you wash your hair every day, you're removing the natural oils, which can cause your scalp to produce even more. Try to limit your hair washing to every 2 to 3 days to allow your scalp to balance its oil production. Step 3. Rinse with cold water. When you do wash your hair, end with a rinse of cold water. Cold water helps to close the hair cuticles, which can prevent the scalp from producing too much oil.
Can I do anything else to prevent greasy hair?
Yes, you can. Avoid touching your hair frequently, as this can transfer oils from your hands to your hair, contributing to greasiness. Also, avoid heavy hair products like waxes and oils that can weigh down your hair and make it look greasy. Thank you for watching this tutorial on preventing greasy hair after dyeing it. We hope these tips and tricks help you maintain your beautiful, newly colored hair without the unwanted side effect of greasiness. Remember, choose the right hair products, wash your hair less often, and rinse with cold water. Have a great day, and enjoy your vibrant, grease-free hair.